In this video, I'll be showing you how to outline an image in Photoshop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this, but let's say I want to outline this image right here. Maybe there's a background or anything like that. What you want to do is go ahead and double click on your image layer. So you're going to have your layers here. You might have a lot more here depending on how much you have in your project. But once you double click your layer, whatever image you want, you're going to see stroke as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see, I instantly have an outline. Now, by default, you might be on 1. So you're going to have like a tiny outline you might not be able to see. So make sure to scale it up so you can see it. Then you can even change the color if you want to as well. For example, if I wanted a red outline, I could just go ahead and do that like that. And then I can change the position. If I want it inside, I could go ahead and do that. Or if I want it in the center, I could go ahead and do that as well. Change the opacity of it if you want to as well. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and press OK. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.